What if I told you that the people who seem the most powerful in any room aren't the loudest, aren't the most aggressive, and aren't even the most confident? They're simply the ones who understand how human perception works. You've seen it in corporate boardrooms. You've seen it in high-level negotiations. You've seen it in politics, in media interviews, in elite networking events across the United States. There's always that one person who doesn't speak much, but when they do, everyone listens. They don't chase attention. Attention moves toward them. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Power isn't about controlling people physically. It isn't about manipulation in the dramatic movie sense. It's about controlling the emotional temperature of the interaction. It's about controlling perception, because perception becomes reality in social dynamics. Most people walk into conversations trying to be liked. They want approval, they want agreement, they want validation. And without realizing it, they immediately position themselves lower in the psychological hierarchy. The secret that makes you powerful over anyone starts with this shift. Stop trying to win approval. Start controlling emotional reactions. In American culture especially, we are trained to respond instantly. Instant replies, instant opinions, instant emotional reactions on social media. Everything is fast, reactive, impulsive, but the person who slows down immediately stands out. When someone challenges you and you don't react right away, it creates tension. When someone expects you to defend yourself and you simply hold eye contact calmly, it disrupts their mental script. And when you disrupt someone's script, you take control of the frame. The frame is the invisible structure that defines who holds power in an interaction. Most people don't even know it exists, but they feel it. The one who reacts emotionally loses the frame. The one who stays composed owns it. Imagine you're in a meeting in New York. A colleague questions your idea publicly. The average reaction is defensive. The voice tightens. The explanation becomes rushed. Words start spilling out too fast. Now imagine a different response. You pause, you breathe, you look at them steadily and say, "Interesting perspective. Tell me more about what concerns you." Calm, controlled, measured. Now they're explaining themselves. Now they're justifying their position. And without raising your voice, you've shifted the power dynamic completely. That is psychological authority, and it starts with emotional discipline. Most people are slaves to their reactions. They react to tone, they react to criticism, they react to disrespect, and every reaction gives away information. But the person who controls their reactions becomes unpredictable. And unpredictability creates power. Because human beings are deeply uncomfortable when they can't fully read someone. When people can't predict how you'll respond, they become more careful around you. They think before speaking. They analyze your expressions. They give you more psychological space. Mystery builds presence. Over-explaining destroys it. When you constantly explain your intentions, justify your decisions, or rush to clarify misunderstandings, you subconsciously signal insecurity. Powerful individuals understand something most people miss. Silence can be louder than words. In negotiations across corporate America, experienced dealmakers know this. The first person who fills the silence often gives away leverage. The one who can sit comfortably in quiet tension usually wins. Silence forces the other person to reveal more. And the more someone reveals, the more information you gain. Information is influence. Influence becomes power, but that's where it gets deeper. Being powerful over anyone doesn't mean dominating them. It means controlling yourself so completely that others adjust their behavior around you automatically. When you stop seeking approval, people start seeking yours. When you stop chasing attention, attention gravitates toward you. When you stop reacting emotionally, others become cautious with their emotions. This is not about arrogance. It's about internal stability. The most powerful people in any environment are internally grounded. Their self-worth doesn't fluctuate based on external praise or criticism. They don't crumble under pressure because their identity isn't built on fragile validation. And when you project that level of internal certainty, people feel it. They may not consciously understand it, but they respond to it. That's the secret. And in the next part, we're going to break down how predictability silently destroys your influence, and how subtle behavioral shifts can instantly reposition you in any social hierarchy without saying anything aggressive or confrontational. If you're already starting to see how this applies to your own life, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. The next video, we're releasing dives even deeper into psychological leverage, and it's going to challenge the way you see every interaction from this point forward. Because once you understand these dynamics, you can't unsee them. And trust me, the next one is even more powerful. Stay with me. We're just getting started.